Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the entire process of getting started with Midjourney. The very first thing you need to do is navigate to midjourney.com and hit enter. You will be greeted by a beautiful web page featuring scrolling code and the Midjourney logo right in the center. To begin, move your cursor to the bottom right and click on the Sign In button. Please wait a moment while the page redirects you to Discord. Here, you must log into your account. If you do not have one yet, simply click on the register link. You will need to provide your email address, choose a username, set a password, and select your date of birth from the drop-down menus. Once that is done, check the agreement box and click Continue. You will then need to verify that you are a human by completing a CAPTCHA. This usually involves selecting specific images, such as hot dogs, from a grid. Click Verify once you have selected all the correct pictures. Next, you will see a request for Midjourney to access your Discord account. Go ahead and click Authorize. If a sign-in error appears, it is likely because your Discord account has not been verified through email yet. To resolve this, go to your Gmail, sign in, and find the message from Discord regarding email verification. Open it and click the Verify Email button. This will open Discord again and confirm your account is ready. Click Continue to Discord, close the extra browser tabs, and return to the Midjourney site. Dismiss the error message and attempt to sign in with Discord once more, clicking Authorize again. Now that you are logged in, click the link that says Join the Discord to start creating. Midjourney will send you an invitation to their massive server. Click Accept Invite to join the community. You may have to pass one more human verification test by selecting images like hot dogs again. Once you have access to the Midjourney server, look for the newcomers rooms in the sidebar and click on one. This is where you can see the art being created by other users in real time. To generate your own unique image, type /imagine in the message bar and press the spacebar to activate the prompt box. Now, type in a description of what you want the AI to create. If you want to adjust the shape of the image, type AR for aspect ratio, followed by your desired dimensions, such as 4:8 for a tall photo. When you are ready, press enter. You will be asked to agree to the terms of service, so click Accept TOS. If the service is under heavy demand, you might be told that free trials are unavailable. In this case, click Subscribe to open the billing page. You can choose between several tiers, such as the basic plan for $8 a month billed yearly, or $10 for a monthly subscription. This entry-level plan is perfect for beginners. Select your preferred option, click Subscribe, and fill in your payment details. After the payment is processed and your subscription is active, go back to Discord and re-enter your image command. The bot will show a waiting to start status followed by a progress percentage. If the chat moves too fast and your image disappears, just scroll up to find your results. You will receive 4 different drafts. To upscale your favorite one and increase its resolution, use the buttons labeled U1 through U4. For example, click U4 to upscale the 4th image. Once the high-resolution version is ready, you can view your final masterpiece. Thank you for watching this guide. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more Midjourney tutorials.